Hello everyone friends on the Velour channel. Today I will show you how to clear the cache in the Google Chrome browser. To do this, go to Chrome, click on the three dots on the top right and click Settings. That's it. Next, here we will have to click on Privacy and Security and accordingly clear the date of the search, yes, respectively the search data. That's it. And here select More, click All the Time. Here we select just these, respectively all the files. Nothing is needed here. That's it. Download history, respectively, caching of images and files and cookies, and the rest, respectively, information from sites. Just be careful that you haven't deleted anything unnecessary for you because, for example, you may need the download history. You may need image caching and files. Suddenly, therefore be careful. That's it. And click delete, respectively, clear data. That's all. Velour was with you. Subscribe to the channel. Goodbye, everyone.